guys, I'm Sophie from Art Makeup by Sophie. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a can in your eye makeup look. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, subscribe here down below, and without further ado, let's get into the video. For this look you need a can and you have to cut it in two pieces. With an eye pencil I mark where I want the bone to be. Apply some liquid latex around the eye and put the cotton on top of the latex. Then I peel the edges off. With liquid latex I stick the can to my eye. I use foundation to match it with my skin. And I put a light brown powder on top of it. After that I paint on it with the brown color and later on with the red color. Then I grab my thick blood and apply it really close to the can to create some depth. Then I go ahead with my stage blood and I apply this all around the wound. At last but not least, I use my stippling sponge and I stipple some blood around the wound. So this is the final look. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe here down below, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!